demonstrating our continued commitment towards the development of Iraqi nationals, PetroChina Halfaya, Maysan Oil Company, and Ministry of Oil announced the opening of Halfaya Training Center in 2014. This facility serves as a center of excellence for PetroChina Halfaya's talent development initiatives, whilst creating jobs and qualifying Iraqis for various positions at Halfaya oil field. Halfaya Training Center started with the initiative of an 18-month graduate development program designed to develop the local workforce for operations and maintenance roles within the production department. First cohorts of 19 trainees graduated and were employed by production department in year 2014. The second cohorts, consisting of 98 trainees, were selected after passing assessments involving technical, communication, and behavioral skills.
Following the best recruitment and selection practice, with the coordination of Maysan Oil Company, we recruited the second batch of 100 trainees from various Iraqi universities and institutes who had a wonderful academic track record.
The program starts with English language training, with focus on reading, speaking, listening, and writing skills. The objective is to enhance communication skills to attain high standards of professionalism and meet safety requirements.
As part of our development program process, we have received 2 months of technical English language training. During this phase, we have been trained by one of the best native English language trainers.
After completion of Stage 1, trainees begin theoretical followed by practical training for a duration of 12 weeks in accordance with their functions in process, electrical, mechanical, and instrumentation.
You believe the pressure, you stop them.
During the underpinning knowledge phase, I have studied 4 common disciplines in oil and gas industry: mechanical, instrumentation, process, and electrical. These subjects are the stepping stone for my progression to become competent petroleum engineer.
And also the releases oil.
So this voltage will be dropped on the cable.
Well, pneumatic, hydraulic, and electric.
These are generally the closer.
Following the completion of each training, an assessment is carried out to manage the development progress and quality assure learning outcomes achieved. To create competent and qualified employees, all trainees must be assessed against their competency framework in technical, HSE, behavioral, English language, and IT skills, following different methods of assessment exercises. Practical training begins with the understanding of the job function and practice on its related tools and equipment.
It's very exciting being at the workshop and seeing all the equipment that we have studied in the classroom. We became familiar with the subject we are learning.
Hands-on practice gave me the confidence to apply what I have learned in the underpinning knowledge phase. It has really increased my understanding and improved my skills.
HSE policy and procedures are of utmost importance to ensure a safe workplace, and trainees undertake all required HSE training and safe systems of work.
لا تنسى الجهاز هو الرئة الثالثة للمنقذ للمسعف للإطفائي، وشغلات أساسية اللي هي 67 وقت كلي، 57 وقت فعلي، 11 دقيقة وقت الهروب.
Trainees move on the final stage of training on surface facilities such as CPF. On-the-job training is the next stage of the graduate development program, conducted at the actual work site for more than 7 months.
This is the most important phase in our training program. For me as a production operation operator, I deal with testing wheels, readings, start-up and shutdown and other maintenance jobs.
The on-job training plays a pivotal role as trainees transition from knowing to doing stage. Learning by doing is one of the key factors for our successful graduate development program.
The most important things to work in oil and gas industries are environment, people, and asset.
I have acquired practical skill to work effectively in upstream oil and gas production areas. Upstream production deals with reservoir evaluation, well surfaces, drilling and measurements, well completion and productivity. Furthermore, I have acquired practical skill to operate and monitor surface equipment such as Christmas tree, hydraulic panel and test separator.
The trainees are supported all the way through by a team of qualified assessors, experienced mentors and supportive production line managers.
Now I have gotten a lot of information and practical skills which are needed to perform my job in control system section.
Now, all production trainees have met their performance criteria and become competent employees. They can confidently perform their roles throughout Halfaya project.
In the OJT, we are following a competency criteria specified by lab OJT training requirements. We deal with equipments, utilize crude oil parameters measurements as this very important step in oil pricing.
The trainees have successfully completed the program. They shall be employed by production and power system department and begin their careers as competent junior operations and maintenance staff.
We are so proud of completing the training program for the second batch of production trainees of PetroChina Halfaya. ونرحب بجميع المتدربين كموظفين جدد في شركة بتروتشاينا ونتمنى لهم النجاح والتوفيق في حياتهم المهنية.
We will continue delivering these competency-based programs and create career development paths for all areas of our organization.
Learning and Development Team will continue to provide mentoring, assessments, and support staff's continuous development.
Are you ready for PetroChina?
Yes, we are ready!